Ito pong team ng installing officers ko ay walang sawa ito. Because even kung hindi mag-initiate yung lodge to be constituted, nandiyan handa sila ang aming coaching. So hindi lang pang lodge, hindi pang sports pa. Also, I would like to congratulate my Grand Lodge officers who are here today, assisting us in the constitution of the lodge. And, going back to the past few months, when I was the chairman of the Committee on Charters and Lodges, I have gone over the lodges who have applied. And I noted Pasig City Lodge under dispensation. Sabi ko, taga-Pasig po ako walang luwaya sa Pasig. Sabi ko, tingnan ko ako pwede ito. I have gone over the papers and, you have proved to the Grand Lodge that you are capable of being a lodge. So that's why during the last ANCOM, we have recommended you to be given the charter, and the brethren during the annual communication has applauded the group which you should be given a number. So congratulations to you. Kaya lang, yung nanood ko dito, benching ko na original charter members, yung nag-attend mo kung wala pang teaching, wala pang 15 na original. So, yung 10 ay casualty. Sa first meeting nyo, 10 na kagad. Thanks God for the new installed, newly raised brethren, nadagdagan kayo. So I hope that this will continue. Encourage original members to be active members, because your only responsibility, as read by the Grand Secretary during the Constitution, is to raise nations from first, second, and third degree. That's the only responsibility you have. And you manage how to raise good brethren in order to become better men. So, sana po, since you have started a new lodge, pagtiyagaan nyo na makakuha kayo ng mga matitinong brethren. Because the brethren you are going to harvest in the next 20 years are the pillars of the nation during the next 20 years. Kami po, next 20 years, makawala na kami. Di ba? As Kwesito, bata pa yan. Lahat na mason gusto maging grandmaster. Di ba? Yan din ang mission ni Kuya Sito. Sino ba sa inyo na hindi ang mission ng grandmaster dyan? All master nations who would like to become nations would like to be a grandmaster. So, brethren, that's my request to you. Can we continue raising good brethren? Because that's the only responsibility you have. Gone are the days of medical missions. All of your activities will be in accordance with the charter given to you to make nations, nothing more. So with this, brethren, congratulations again. And whatever help you want from the Grand Lodge of the Philippines, as an infant, please don't hesitate to approach me and approach my Grand Lodge officers. Mayroon kayong problema, nagyan kami sa Grand Lodge. Because our ultimate objective here is making the Grand Lodge closer to you. So again, brethren, maraming salamat po.